Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, located in Santa Cruz, CA, specializes in comprehensive water heater diagnostics. Our skilled technicians are adept at identifying and resolving issues that affect water heaters' performance and efficiency. Our team utilizes advanced diagnostic tools and techniques to assess all types of water heaters, including tankless, electric, gas, and hybrid systems. Call our water heater diagnostics team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a water heater diagnostics near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What types of water heaters do you service? We service a wide range of water heaters, including tankless, electric, gas, and hybrid models. Our technicians are trained to handle all major brands and models. How often should I have my water heater checked? It's recommended to have your water heater inspected annually to ensure it operates efficiently and to catch any potential issues early. What is your service area for Santa Cruz, California? Our water heater diagnostics has helped clients in Santa Cruz, Boulder Creek, Ben Lomond, Swanton, Day Valley, Davenport, Scotts Valley, Pasachempo, Corralitos, Freedom, Brookdale, Bonnie Doon, Lompico, Scioto, Brookdale, Olympia, Felton, California. Where is your Santa Cruz, California water heater diagnostics office located? We are located at 325 Soquel Avenue B17, Santa Cruz, California 95062. Our phone number is 831-610-0427. Visit our website www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Soquel-Santa-Cruz-Plumbing-Draining-Water-Heater-Repair.